And an appeals court just removed the Mar-A-Lago special master, said there was no real basis for the appointment. A question my team keeps coming back to, which is, could Judge Cannon face any consequences for her ruling?
Well, she'll face serious reputational damage. You know, when you're a trial judge, whether federal or state, you really hate getting reversed by the appellate court. It's a little bit like being sent to the principal's office and disciplined. This is more than just a case where there was a reasonable difference of opinion that the Court of Appeals resolved. This is a case where the Court of Appeals told Judge Cannon she got it wrong, she got it indefensibly wrong, and they then dismantled her arguments in their entirety. They did it without using her name, which I think made it even more pointed. A lot of people have asked, can she be sanctioned? Can she be impeached? And that's really not how it works. Our federal judges have life tenure. They're in there typically unless and until they commit some form of criminal act. Then you might see a judge get impeached. But the problem that she will face will be the diminished credibility that comes to her as a result of this. That was 3 Republican judges on the 11th Circuit, including the chief judge, who participated in that 21-page exercise that pointed out just how wrong she was.
Joyce, I just want to go back real quick to the Trump Organization tax fraud trial and everything that we're watching out of New York. When you sort of zoom out and you think about the Mar-A-Lago investigation, you think about 1-6, and then you think about all of the action we're seeing out of New York, your sense of sort of timeline-wise, which we're looking for action on first?
Yeah, I think it's very difficult to try to crystal ball what the timeline looks like. You know, prosecutors, like anyone else, like to have all of their ducks lined up before they make a move. And when the move that you're talking about is prosecuting, indicting, civilly suing a former president, then you're going to be extra careful to make sure that you have everything that you need. Sometimes folks like to talk about how slowly DOJ moves, and I agree. Now that I'm on the outside, it looks a little bit slow. But knowing what's going on the inside, actually, it seems to me that they're moving at a very timely pace. There are a lot of materials that have to be put together. You have to have what's called discovery ready to turn over to a defendant shortly after indictment, and that involves a lot of work. You've got to track down witnesses and nail down all of the details. So in any of these cases that we see moving forward, it's tough to assess the timing, except that in New York with this Trump Organization case, a jury will deliberate, and we will know probably in the next few days or this week whether the former president's company will be convicted of criminal misconduct.